Dr. D, we did talk about, Botox, and or actually you mentioned it in many areas of how and what it does. Is it true that Botox can also help people from excessive sweating under the armpits and maybe on the feet and even on the palms of the hand?
Yes, indeed. That medical term for excess sweating is called hyperhidrosis. There are some people, genetically, the way they're wired, just sweat a lot. And this is not just talking about, a little bit of sweating when you're stressed or having to talk in front of an audience, but this is a continual problem that actually affects them socially, affects them where clothes are literally ruined from excess sweating. Right. And often when they shake hands, they always have that clammy hand. And Botox is effective. The effect can last 6 months, even up to a year, unlike the normal application of Botox, which for cosmetic use, for wrinkles, which usually lasts 3 to 4 months.
I see. So, so is there a different way of applying the Botox, or is it just, it doesn't really matter in terms of clinically, we don't need to know that too much, but so basically you inject Botox under the armpit and or in the feet or in the hands, because it's super uncomfortable. I mean, people are working in an office or anywhere, and be it a lady or be it a guy, and that like wet little things. It's just very, very. Even if it doesn't at the moment, have any odor and doesn't smell, just the look of it, people get. It's not a good thing because it's just not a good thing. So you just inject it and you stop sweating.
Yes. Over the space of a week or so, the effect starts to work, and they're much, much, much drier. Sometimes we usually follow up with them a week or two later, and there may be a little area that needs a little touch-up, or one area that was possibly missed and needs a little more Botox in one particular area. We do a particular kind of test to see where they're actually sweating, so we treat those areas specific. But sometimes they need a little retreatment in one area to optimize the result.
Now, am I the only one who doesn't or didn't know about this, or is there actually lots of people out there who don't know that Botox can help for that?
It's not common knowledge. It's unfortunate because it's been available for many, many years for this purpose. So it's good to get the word out. Okay.
Because, looks really like, anytime you can improve social appearance, which is what this is all about, it is important. That $1 million smile and that $1 million look, it raises the confidence. It just makes everything, economics, love life, it just makes everything working better. Well, wonderful. I'm glad that there is a solution for, people who can't handle the excessive sweating with the normal deodorants and the normal treatments which are available out there. Absolutely wonderful. I love it. Thanks a lot, Dr. D.
My pleasure.